You are to us, for what you have done. For that we have come to offer you a song, not any type of song, but a song of praise, a song of thanksgiving, to say thank you for who and what you are to us.
Oya mutema